Hey Stitching Muses, it's Vivian here. Elodie just launched a few days ago, so today I want to compare it to Elisa. They are sharing the same base construction, but the front design changes everything. So if you are deciding between these two bralettes, this will help you choose. Let's take a closer look. Today I am comparing Elisa and Elodie. I also have two versions of Elisa to show you, so you can really see how the design and fabric change the final look. This is Elisa made in cotton jersey, lace upper cups and plushback elastic. It feels very soft, very comfortable, perfect for everyday wear. The plushback elastic feels gentle on the skin. This is the same Elisa pattern but made in full lace with pico elastic. Now it feels more delicate, more lingerie-like, more feminine. Pico elastic gives a softer, more decorative edge. And this is Elodie, also with pico elastic. But Elodie has the front opening and the strap connect toward the neckline that makes the design more eye-catchy. If we compare the lace versions, the fabric is similar, the base shape is similar, but the front design changes everything. Elisa feels classic. Elodie feels more modern. Elisa feels balanced and clean, very wearable. Elodie draws attention to the center front, it feels more unique. If you want something soft and everyday, choose Elisa in cotton jersey. If you want something delicate, then choose Elisa in a lace. And if you want a statement detail, choose Elodie. Same base, different personality. So which one would you sew first? Tell me in the comments. And both patterns are linked below.